Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube video. In this video I'm going to show you 7 creative mobile phone photography ideas and phone photo hacks to get better Instagram photos. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I've also created a mobile photography tips and tricks video on how to get better photos on your phone. Anyway, enough talking, let's get into the video. For this effect, you want to open up Snapseed. We're going to use an effect called double exposure, which will allow us to have 2 images on top of each other. Then you adjust the opacity. Then you want to open up your stacks brush and paint over the chair. So the last photo was terrible. It kind of looks like I'm falling over. So I'm going to do another one, and this one's called the Crazy Frog. If you can, try to avoid painting over the shadow on the ground. But don't worry if you do, you can use the healing tool to fix it up. This is the exact technique used in the Levitation effect. This time you're going to make your image black and white. You can also play around with the overlays using light and dark overlay, subtract. I prefer to use overlay. It just gives you a little bit of a nicer effect. You want to make both images black and white. You can do an overlay filter at the end, giving a little bit of color. With the Panorama setting on your phone, you can get some really creative shots. When your subject is out of shot, you want to keep your panorama moving. For this effect, you want your subject to be standing up, then slowly crouching down as you tilt up. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below which phone you use and also which one was your favorite little creative idea. Don't forget to follow me on my social medias and hit that subscribe button for more videos.